And welcome to this Valuemed presentation. This is the new dual head Cardiology stethoscope line that has been stocked by Valuemed for a long period of time now, and it's a very nice heavy piece of equipment. Chest piece particularly is really nicely manufactured. Bell and diaphragm, full adult size chest piece with anti-chill rings and a really nice rotating, hear that lock, into place on this really thick lumen tubing. This is the burgundy version, a sort of wine colour. Nice colour, nice rich colour. The headset, again, Sprung, light alloy, aluminium, springings in the centre portion here. And the headset really nicely aligned with fitted soft ear chips. But you do also, in the pack, get, I'll just open this up, 4 replacement ear tips. They're all the same size, they're all soft, very comfortable fit, and we also supply in this pack a spare diaphragm, so comes complete with those as standard units. Boxing, standard manufacturer's packaging. This is how it will be presented to you. Little insert just with some base instructions in terms of setup and usage. But as cardiology stethoscopes go, it's been designed to match the auscultation performance of the more expensive branded products, but at the lower end of the market. And the budget price for these is coming in at under £50 delivered for a full function, full size cardiology stethoscope. So do check out the Valuemed listings for this. There's a variety of colours available. I'm going to have to go and feed that spaniel. Do excuse me. Shut up, dog. Behave. I never work with animals and children, particularly spaniels. Anyway, excuse me. Cardiology stethoscopes, range of colours, all the same, basic size and quality. We've got them in black, purple, light purple, blue, pink, red and burgundy. Red and burgundy is always the most popular colour, so this one is constantly selling out. This new stock line's just come back on with the delivery we've had in this week. So do check the link out below. Take you through to the Valuemed website with the full range of Cardiologists to buy online in the UK from that website. Thanks for watching.